In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly create charts in Figma using a chart plugin. Start by opening your Figma file. Then click the Actions button and search for chart. Select a chart plugin from the results and open it. Once the plugin loads, choose the type of chart you want to create. You can select from options such as bar charts, line charts, pie charts, or area charts. Next, enter your data and labels into the plugin. Most chart plugins provide sample data that you can replace with your own information. After entering your data, review the chart settings and make any adjustments you need. When everything looks good, click Add Chart. The chart will be inserted directly onto your Figma canvas. You can then resize, move, and customize the chart just like any other design element in Figma. And that's it! You've successfully created a chart in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.